guys, welcome to the day 1 of the bridal week. This video is very special for me because the saree that I'm wearing is my mom's wedding saree and the music that you guys are hearing in the background is composed by my brother. So if you guys like the music that is playing in the background, don't forget to visit my brother's YouTube channel. I will list all the links on the description bar, and all the beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing today is sponsored by Sparkly Closet. So do visit their group as well and page. So I really hope you guys will enjoy this one. If you want to know how to get this makeup look right here, then please keep on watching.
First, for moisturizer, I'm taking the Estee Lauder Double Wear Moisturizer. And now for color correcting, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Orange, and I'm mixing with a little bit of the krayolan paint stick in the shade FS24. And I'm putting this on the places where I have darkness. For foundation, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Coverage HD foundation and I'm mixing it with a little bit of the Kona by Farnaz Alam foundation. And with the Real Techniques Beauty Blender, I'm blending everything out. For concealing and highlighting my face, I'm taking the Elegant Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. And I'm putting this on the centers of my face, which is my under eyes, bridge of the nose, forehead, cupid's bow and chin. And with the same beauty blender, I'm blending everything out. For baking my face, I'm taking the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. And I'm putting this on the places where I applied the concealer. And immediately with a fluffy brush, I am dusting off the excess powder. Now let's move on to the eye makeup. Here I am taking the Jaclyn palette, and for the transition shade, I am taking a shade which is 3 to 4 shades darker than my actual skin tone. As my second transition shade, I am taking a really warm brown eyeshadow, almost like a brick color, and I am putting this all over my crease and my lower lash line as well. Here I am applying a little bit of the loose powder to carve out the shape of my eyeshadow. Now for defining my outer corner, I am taking a really dark brown eyeshadow and I am putting this on my outer corner, a little bit on my crease and my inner corners. And with a tiny blending brush, I am blending out the edges. With the lightest shimmery shade in the Jaclyn palette, I am going to highlight my brow bones. Here I am taking a black gel eyeliner as the base of my eye look, and I am putting this all over my eyelids and my lower lash line. And I am blending out the edges with a tiny pencil brush. And to set that base, I am taking a black eyeshadow. And to slightly blend out the edges, I am taking the shade Jax from that same palette. Here I am dusting off the excess powder. Going back to the shade Hans, I am blending out the lower lash line just a little bit more. Now I am taking a copper shimmery eyeshadow from that palette and I am putting this only on the centers of my eyelid. I am also going to add a little bit of the MAC Reflex Gold on my eyelids. For mascara, I am taking the Golden Rose Maximize Mascara. Here I am highlighting the inner corners. Applying some falsies. For contouring and bronzing, I'm taking the LA Colors iheart contouring kit and I'm going to bronze my face with that. And I'm also going to contour my nose. For blush, I'm taking the City Color blush palette. For highlight, I'm taking the Kona by Farnaz Alam Twinkling Star Highlighter. And I'm putting this all over my cheekbones, sides of my forehead, chin and the bridge of my nose. And for lips, I went with a pale nude. And to make it glossy, I'm applying a nude gloss on top.
And that's it guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial. If you did, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!
And a huge shout out to Shakur Jaman for all these beautiful pictures. He's such a talented artist, he's such a talented photographer. So I will list all his social media platforms on my description bar, so please do check him out. And a huge shout out to Kaushik Iqbal for all the support.
Mama